we could be looking at a world without Roe versus Wade in the next 2 years or so. Roe versus Wade was a U.S. Supreme Court decision that was decided in 1973, and the Supreme Court at that time said women have a fundamental right to terminate a pregnancy, and the idea was recognizing that having a child has significant consequences. Women should be the people who get to make decisions about what happens to their bodies. One of the basic reasons why people argued for the importance of abortion rights is how critical it is for women to be able to decide when and if they want to become mothers. A lot of the decisions that have come down about abortion over the last several years have been 5-4 decisions, and the expectation is the next time that they get an abortion case, they'll take that opportunity to either overrule Roe completely or to eviscerate it in such a way that they might as well have overruled it. So if Roe gets overturned, it doesn't mean that abortion suddenly becomes illegal in the United States. What it means is it becomes an issue that gets decided on a state-by-state basis. So essentially you could have 50 states with 50 rules about access to abortion. So what you'll basically find is, if you're a woman who lives in New Jersey, you're going to have access to abortion services. If you're a woman who lives in Texas, you're not going to. And what that means is that women will have to travel in order to access services. Some women will be able to do that, some women won't be able to do that. And so what we're going to see is this incredible gap in access and opportunity because the patchwork is going to be so wide and so varied. I think there are a number of people who would be very excited because they've been fighting to get Roe overturned for a very long time. And then I think there would be a lot of women in particular who are scared, who suddenly find themselves in this position where their ability to make decisions about what happens to and in their body has been stripped away from them. And no matter whether abortion is legal or illegal, there will be women who terminate pregnancies. And the question is, do we want women to be acting in desperation? Do we want women to have to leave the country to exercise rights that are human rights for them? Or do we want to treat women like equal people who get to make decisions about how they use their bodies?